Really allows each one of us to express ourselves, who we are, through pole versus like I'm going to a hip hop class and we're doing hip hop. Like you can do anything you want with pole. You know, some people mix martial arts or music, comedy and drama. It really, and we get to create that. So sometimes like in gymnastics, people are creating routines for us. But in pole, you have that as well. People will choreograph for others, but you have the opportunity to do that yourself and create combos, and you can challenge your brain and new ways of thinking and new movement patterns throughout your body. So it really does hit on a lot of different creative aspects, artistic aspects, as well as the physicality of it.
A huge, big chocolate surprise egg.
Exactly.